You can't write that. We're on YouTube.
My channel's family friendly, so shut up, pokey bitch.
What the? What exactly is Copilot doing in this situation?
The fuck? Oh.
Let's go to cargo plane.
Nah, we good, fam. I'm about to whip this hoe. Arigato, my bro. Arigato.
That's not reassuring.
Oh shit, we're going. I didn't mean to do that.
You should take off by yourself.
Come on. Pull up. Pull up, bitch.
I'm right here. Where? I can't. I don't know.
Why we turning? Come on, stop, bro. Oh, we good. We good. Oh shit, yeah, I should have done that.
You see nothing. Shit bustin' for real, no cap.
I heard a bad word. Fancy, that was a bad word. Bitch, come down here, I'm gonna slap you. That was a bad word, Fancy. Don't subscribe to this guy.
How is it picking up that I'm angry? What the fuck?
Don't subscribe to this guy. He said bad words. He's a fucking dummy. Shit bustin' for real, no cap.
I have no idea what you're talking about. I never said that.
I will rip it off and eat your nutsack.
Man, I'm dead. Let's go! What the?
What you doing? Yeah, it's a tail. Look at this tail. It's so cool. The tail has physics. Stand still, okay? Look this way. Give me your dick. Look.
I always come.
No, I'm looking at it, Nick.
I'm Super Molly Cabro, no mama's way. Have you ever killed a man? No, stop. Hear me out. Hear me out. Titties. Hi. Do you like llamas? Do you...